Imagine if the secret to slowing aging, repairing your DNA, and feeling truly vibrant wasn't hidden in a lab or an expensive treatment, but sitting right on your plate every day. What if the foods you eat could not only fuel your body but actively protect your cells, rejuvenate your tissues, and help you live longer with more energy, focus, and vitality? Today, I'm going to reveal the science-backed ways that certain everyday foods can do just that. Repair your DNA, reduce cellular damage, and turn back the clock on aging at a molecular level. This isn't about magic or gimmicks. It's about understanding your body, harnessing nature's power, and making choices that transform your health from the inside out. By the end of this talk, you'll not only know which foods have these remarkable effects, but also how to use them to support your longevity and vitality every single day. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn could literally change the way your body ages and the way you feel in the years to come. Aging is a complex process that is intimately connected to the gradual accumulation of DNA damage within our cells. Every day, our DNA is subjected to insults from various sources, including environmental factors like UV radiation, pollution, and chemical exposure, as well as internal processes such as oxidative stress generated during normal cellular metabolism. When DNA is damaged, it can result in mutations, impair gene function, and disrupt normal cellular activities. Over time, these errors accumulate, compromising the integrity of our genetic material and contributing to the decline in tissue and organ function associated with aging. The body does have natural DNA repair mechanisms, such as nucleotide excision repair and base excision repair pathways, which constantly monitor and correct errors, but these systems become less efficient with age. As DNA damage overwhelms repair capabilities, cells may enter senescence or programmed cell death, processes that further accelerate tissue degeneration and the onset of age-related diseases including cardiovascular disorders, neurodegeneration, and certain cancers. Understanding the connection between DNA integrity and aging highlights the importance of lifestyle choices and dietary interventions that can reduce DNA-damaging stressors and support the body's repair systems. By minimizing exposure to harmful agents and providing nutrients that enhance repair mechanisms, it is possible to slow the molecular processes that drive aging at the cellular level. Phytochemicals are naturally occurring compounds found in plants that provide far more than color, flavor, and aroma. They play a crucial role in protecting cells from damage and supporting overall health. These compounds, including flavonoids, carotenoids, polyphenols, and glucosinolates, exhibit potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which are particularly important for maintaining DNA integrity. Free radicals, unstable molecules generated during normal metabolism or through exposure to toxins, can attack DNA, proteins, and cell membranes, leading to mutations and cellular dysfunction. Phytochemicals help neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and limiting the potential for DNA damage. Beyond their antioxidant effects, many phytochemicals also modulate signaling pathways that govern cellular repair and longevity, enhancing the activity of enzymes responsible for DNA maintenance. Certain compounds can influence gene expression, upregulating protective proteins and stress response mechanisms that improve the cell's resilience to damage. Consuming a variety of plant-based foods ensures a broad spectrum of these protective molecules, each with unique mechanisms of action, creating a synergistic effect that strengthens the body's natural defenses. Research increasingly supports that diets rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds can not only reduce the accumulation of cellular damage, but also actively promote the maintenance and repair of DNA, laying the foundation for healthier aging. Certain foods have the remarkable ability to stimulate the body's intrinsic DNA repair pathways, enhancing the maintenance of genetic integrity and supporting cellular longevity. These foods contain bioactive compounds that activate key enzymes and molecular systems responsible for identifying and correcting DNA damage, ensuring that mutations do not accumulate over time. One example involves the activation of PARP, or poly-ADP ribose polymerase, an enzyme critical for detecting DNA strand breaks and initiating repair processes. Other compounds influence sirtuins, a family of proteins that regulate cellular stress responses, metabolic efficiency, and chromosomal stability, all of which are closely linked to aging and DNA preservation. By modulating these pathways, the nutrients in certain foods can effectively enhance the efficiency and speed of DNA repair mechanisms, reducing the likelihood of mutation accumulation that contributes to age-related cellular decline. Additionally, some foods provide the cofactors necessary for enzymatic reactions involved in repair, such as B vitamins, zinc, and magnesium, which act as essential building blocks for proper enzyme function. Consuming these DNA-supportive foods regularly can help maintain genomic stability, protect against oxidative and environmental insults, and improve cellular resilience, creating a biological environment where cells are better equipped to repair damage, sustain function, and slow the aging process at a molecular level. Telomeres are repetitive DNA sequences located at the ends of chromosomes, acting like protective caps that prevent the loss of essential genetic information during cell division. Each time a cell divides, telomeres naturally shorten, and when they become critically short, the cell either enters a state of senescence or undergoes programmed death, both of which contribute to tissue aging and the gradual decline of organ function. Certain foods contain nutrients and bioactive compounds that help protect telomeres from excessive shortening, supporting cellular longevity and maintaining the health of tissues over time. Antioxidant-rich foods, such as berries, green vegetables, and nuts, reduce oxidative stress, a major factor that accelerates telomere erosion. Additionally, compounds found in foods like cruciferous vegetables and green tea can activate telomerase, an enzyme that replenishes telomere length and helps maintain chromosomal stability. Other nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and polyphenols, support anti-inflammatory pathways that indirectly reduce the stress on telomeres, preserving their integrity during cellular replication. By integrating these protective foods into a regular diet, it is possible to slow the natural attrition of telomeres, enhance the capacity of cells to divide healthily, and reduce the molecular markers of aging. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to accelerated aging and DNA damage, as it generates reactive molecules that attack cellular structures, including genetic material. Persistent low-grade inflammation, often called inflammaging, is linked to many age-related diseases such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, neurodegeneration, and certain cancers. Certain foods have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help counteract these harmful processes at the cellular level. Polyphenols, found in colorful fruits like berries and cherries, neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which otherwise promotes DNA damage. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, regulate inflammatory pathways by modulating cytokine production and supporting healthy cell signaling. Flavonoids and other plant-derived compounds influence gene expression related to inflammation, helping to downregulate pro-inflammatory molecules while enhancing protective enzymes that repair oxidative damage. Herbs and spices, such as turmeric, ginger, and garlic, also contain bioactive molecules that inhibit inflammatory mediators, creating a systemic environment that supports DNA integrity and slows cellular deterioration. By incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into the diet consistently, the body experiences reduced oxidative stress, improved repair mechanisms, and enhanced cellular resilience, all of which collectively contribute to slowing the molecular and physiological processes that drive aging. Mitochondria, often called the powerhouses of the cell, play a critical role in aging because they generate the energy necessary for all cellular functions, while also producing reactive oxygen species as byproducts. Over time, mitochondrial efficiency declines, leading to increased oxidative stress, DNA damage, and impaired cellular function, which collectively accelerate the aging process. Certain foods contain nutrients and bioactive compounds that directly support mitochondrial health, enhancing energy production and reducing oxidative burden. Compounds like resveratrol, found in grapes and berries, and coenzyme Q10, present in fatty fish and organ meats, improve mitochondrial function by stabilizing the electron transport chain and reducing free radical generation. Additionally, polyphenols and flavonoids help stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, the process by which cells produce new, healthy mitochondria, increasing the cell's capacity to generate energy efficiently. Healthy mitochondria also improve metabolic regulation, enhance stress resilience, and indirectly protect nuclear DNA by limiting oxidative damage. Nutrients such as magnesium, B vitamins, and certain amino acids serve as cofactors for mitochondrial enzymes, ensuring optimal function. By incorporating these mitochondrial supportive foods into a regular diet, cells gain improved energy efficiency, reduced oxidative stress, and enhanced repair capabilities, creating a physiological environment that slows age-related decline and preserves DNA integrity over time. The gut microbiome plays a central role in overall health, influencing digestion, immunity, inflammation, and even cellular repair processes, including DNA maintenance. A balanced and diverse community of gut bacteria produces metabolites that can modulate gene expression, reduce oxidative stress, and support the body's natural repair mechanisms. Diet has a profound impact on the composition and activity of the microbiome, with certain foods fostering beneficial bacteria that contribute to anti-aging effects. Fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, serve as prebiotics, providing nourishment for beneficial microbes that produce short-chain fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help protect DNA from damage. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir introduce probiotics that enhance gut microbial diversity, strengthen the intestinal barrier, and reduce systemic inflammation. Polyphenol-rich foods, including berries, green tea, and cocoa, are metabolized by gut bacteria into bioactive compounds that further support cellular health and longevity. A healthy gut microbiome also modulates immune responses, preventing chronic inflammation that accelerates DNA damage and aging. By maintaining a diet that promotes microbial diversity and function, the gut becomes a key ally in supporting DNA repair, reducing oxidative stress, and creating an internal environment conducive to healthy aging and long-term cellular resilience. Certain foods have been scientifically shown to actively support DNA repair, reduce oxidative stress, and slow the aging process by providing specific bioactive compounds and nutrients that target cellular health. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts contain sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, compounds that stimulate detoxification enzymes and enhance DNA repair pathways. Berries, such as blueberries and raspberries, are rich in anthocyanins and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals before they can damage DNA. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, vitamin E, and polyphenols that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, creating a protective environment for cells. Green tea contains catechins that activate repair enzymes and modulate gene expression to maintain cellular integrity. Turmeric provides curcumin, which has been shown to influence pathways involved in oxidative stress reduction, DNA stabilization, and anti-inflammatory responses. Certain mushrooms, including shiitake and maitake, contain beta-glucans and other polysaccharides that enhance immune function and cellular resilience, indirectly supporting genomic stability. Regular consumption of these foods creates a synergistic effect, combining antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and DNA protective mechanisms that slow cellular aging, improve tissue health, and maintain the integrity of genetic material over time, contributing to longevity and overall vitality. In conclusion, the journey to healthier aging and stronger cellular resilience is profoundly influenced by what we eat. By incorporating foods that support DNA repair, reduce oxidative stress, protect telomeres, and maintain mitochondrial and gut health, we can actively slow the aging process, enhance cellular function, and promote longevity. Each meal becomes an opportunity to nourish not just the body, but the very blueprint of life encoded in our DNA. The science is clear. The compounds found in colorful vegetables, berries, nuts, green tea, turmeric, and certain mushrooms work synergistically to protect, repair, and rejuvenate our cells, offering a practical and natural approach to aging with vitality and resilience. May you embrace this knowledge, make conscious choices for your health, and experience the benefits of a lifestyle that supports your body at the cellular level. Wishing you the very best on your journey toward longevity and vibrant health. Thank you for your attention, your curiosity, and your commitment to understanding the powerful connection between nutrition and aging.